So in recent times, ABC juice or the juice of apple, beetroot, and carrot, it's become pretty common, and it's supposed to be an extremely healthy drink. A lot of people that I know also have a glass of ABC juice every day. So we'd like to know, is it really that beneficial? And if it is, how often should a person really drink this juice?
See, first of all, you should try and understand one thing. Even the modern scientific community is beginning to understand in the recent past, very recent past, maybe in the last 10-15 years, or maximum 20 years. Drinking juice is not the right concept whatsoever. Any juice for that matter. Why, every food material grown, created, growing through the vegan kingdom, which is coming as a food to us, is beautifully created by the nature with lot of fiber content, which is very important for your gut flora.
Right.
This is one. Number two, when you make a juice, you throw away the entire fiber content, you take only the essence. That is not good for you by any means. Now, three, say you have a sweet lime in your hand, for example, and you're going to remove the thick skin and slowly start having the fruit part after part. You take about 10-15 minutes to eat a fruit, right?
Right, yeah.
Yeah. So that is with the fiber, one thing. Second thing, as you take time eating that part after part, you are introducing the sugar component of that fruit in a slow manner to your body.
Right, yeah.
If you are going to take 3 of the sweet lime, cut them into 2 pieces, squeeze and take the juice out. You will not like it, so you add some sugar and then you chill it up by putting some ice cubes, and the 3 fruit is drunk within 2 minutes, 3 minutes. A glass of juice. So what happens? You are introducing a huge amount of sugar component to your body within a short span of time.
Right, yeah.
Your body is going to struggle. In the bargain, the most valuable fiber part of the fruit is thrown away. So it is very nice to hear ABC because it falls nicely. Apple, beetroot and carrot. What is apple, beetroot and carrot? First of all, you are not supposed to eat raw vegetable at all. Because of so much of nonsense happening in the agricultural field of, so much of chemical fertilizer and pesticide, these vegetables like beetroot and carrot and all is highly contaminated. The idea of cooking is we are not supposed to eat anything raw. We've been designed this art of cooking many thousands of years ago. We have crossed hundreds and thousands and lakhs of generation. Our gastroenteritis system by itself is only ready to invite food cooked in heat created by fire.
Right.
If we are going to eat raw things, we are going to take the complete microbial load and the chemical contamination of your present day agriculture. So these kind of apple, beetroot and carrot, I don't know why they have not added other things in this. Because the ABC is so beautiful, they kept it as ABC. You are not supposed to do this because you are totally throwing away the fiber, which is most abundance prebiotic for your lactobacillus bacteria in the stomach.
Right.
So already we are, if you take the Western culture, the food and nutrition, they hardly eat any fiber. The Asian subcontinent, especially the Tamil civilization, food and nutrition part of the life, has got enough of fiber in our food. Because basically we eat grain food, and the grain food do not have much fiber. All your vegetable and spinach and so many other things has fiber.
Right.
So whatever little fruits that we are going to consume has a lot of fiber. Whatever little vegetables we are going to consume is got a lot of fiber. What is the point of extracting the juice from them and drinking and throwing away the fiber? Because the fiber part of the thing is very important for your gastro system, especially for your intestines to move the stools out. So if you are going to think in terms of any juice, not only your ABC, E, D, F or G, H, Y, I don't think so it's advisable at all. I don't think so it's a good way of handling things. I don't think so it's going to give you any kind of health benefit other than it's going to give you some molecular value to it. There ends the matter. Eating salad by itself is a wrong concept because of the chemical contamination of the agriculture and the pesticides. You are supposed to neutralize things with a lot of lime on it. So it's always better to have cooked food with the fiber. It is always better to eat the full fruit by itself. If you go to any medically qualified science qualified doctors like MBBS, MD, MS and all that, if they are really sensible, knows something about them, about the human life, about the vegan kingdom, about the food and nutrition, I know such doctors who are highly qualified. They say, please don't drink juice. Eat the fruit. Cook the vegetable and have it with the fiber. This is what you are supposed to understand. Thank you.